Angela.
I'm Leah.
And we out here.
Hey y'all, this is a video of our experiences at Shibuya Stream Hotel, which is located right at Shibuya Scramble, right above the Shibuya train station. And the Mario Kart people. So we are taking the elevator up to our floor. Got the food meister, dinner meister, drink meister, the different meisters. Every hall in this hallway is very dark. It was scary at first because I watched too many scary movies, so it just reminded me of a scary movie, okay? But after spending some time in Japan, I learned that the Japanese like to conserve energy, okay? So I think that the hallways are very dark and not well lit because they are conserving energy. All right, so we just arrived to the hotel. This is what it looks like when you first walk in. You walk into the small hallway. They have a bathroom here, toilet.
I'm looking with y'all. I haven't seen anything.
And then here is the other side of the bathroom, so the shower. You can see that. They have some toiletries for us here. I look crazy. Just got out off the 14-hour flight. So here is a station with water, coffee, tea, a small refrigerator, trash can. They have a nice sized bed here. Now, Tokyo is a major city, so everything is very condensed. They have a TV here, a small sitting area, and here is our view of the city. Here's that, and there's that. You can see this is a major city. Okay, y'all, I have to come back and explain this. So first off, the seat is warming. So when you sit on it, it is warm. And then these are the controls on the toilet. So it has like an inbuilt bidet with different functions, right? You can up the pressure, the position. It can be soft, it can be harder. Very interesting. And the warm seat is really nice, actually. And so is the bidet part, the bidet function. All right, I had to come back with an update for the tub as well. So here is where you walk into the shower area. This floor is the shower. So you walk right into the shower part. I'm explaining it because where I'm from, this is not common in the US. So right outside of the tub, usually in the US, the shower is also in the tub for most bathrooms, right? But for this one, the shower is right outside of the tub. Here is the hallway.
Dave said she's gonna get lost in this hallway.
I said I'm gonna get lost because I'm gonna get lost.
It does have a lot of different times.
Yes, it does. And that is where we're headed. And you know what we forgot? Drink meister.
So I wonder, so it's gonna be food with it and shit.
I have no idea. This little bench is funny.
It is.
Here they have the Style Care Master. Some people are using this already. Where they have a washing machine. I'm not sure what. Oh, maybe this is the steamer.
Oh.
And that. Or is this? I don't know. And this is where we where we iron our clothes. Oh, they have water everywhere, huh? So in the typical American hotel room, you will find the ironing board and iron in your hotel room, but here they had it in a common area. This was not a problem for me because every time we went to use it, they were available. The only issue for me is that it was so short. I'm pretty tall, I'm 5'7", but the iron was pretty small. So I did head downstairs in the morning for some breakfast. I had a little view. You get a view of the city at the restaurant that is right downstairs in the lobby area of that hotel, and they even give you a complimentary meal for one breakfast in that hotel room, so you can kind of check it out. The breakfast is buffet style, and they have different types of foods. So they have some types of Japanese dishes. They also have American dishes. Now, as you walk down, you'll also see a bar area, and then at the end of the hallway is the like their Google. I didn't actually go in there, but I thought it was pretty cool. I imagine they had some computers, or maybe that was some type of headquarters for Google. I don't know. Again, this is the lobby area where the elevators are, where Angela's standing, and we're gonna go ahead and head down the elevator and show you what the area down looks. Most of this area that's connected is all restaurants and shopping and things, which is really, really, really convenient if you're staying here for a few days or however long.
Close. Hey guys, so we're showing you guys how close and how convenient this hotel is. I promise this is the best hotel in the whole city of Tokyo. Okay, I won't make that promise. But it's a really good location.
One of the best.
It's a really good location. So here you see shops and restaurants. So the hotel's on the 4th floor. On the 3 floors underneath is a whole,
Sorry, we're listening.
there's a whole bunch of shops and restaurants that's closed right now because it's so early. So you get to this open hallway, whole bunch of shops and restaurants on each side. Like I said, on 3 floors, and this takes you straight to the train
Hold on
station.
one second. Y'all be sure to like this video and comment down below to let us know what you think of this hotel. Have you been to Tokyo? If so, what was your hotel like? Have you been to this hotel specifically? Are you considering any other hotels for your visit to Tokyo? And also subscribe to our channel. We do post weekly videos every single Friday at noon. You get new content from us. And then we also post shorts 2 to 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times each week. So when you subscribe to our channel, you get consistent content from us. All right, so as we're walking down here, the reason it is so empty is because it is 5 a.m. We were trying to catch the first train from Tokyo to Kyoto. I think we were headed to Kyoto. So as you can see, this is a sign for the train station. It's so convenient from our hotel. You literally just take the elevator down, walk down this path here, and then you go down an escalator and you're right at the train station. It's so convenient. Again, all of these stores are packed. This entire walkway is filled with people during the day. Only reason that it's empty is because it is 5 a.m. and none of these stores are open yet, and most of the city is still asleep because it's 5 a.m. Uh, yeah, so this place is called Shibuya Scramble, and it is just like it sounds. It is a scramble. I mean, lots of people walking fast, think New York. Now, about 7 to 10 minutes down a 7 to 10 minute walk from the hotel is the most busy intersection in the world, which is Shibuya Crossing. I read online that our hotel had a view of Shibuya Crossing. I didn't see any views from our hotel, but maybe it depends on if you got a special room or something. And then this is just a cool area that was near our hotel as well.
Check us out next week
When we out here
in these streets. Peace.